Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So today I have a little makeup tutorial for you guys. I will be making a little Valentine's Day inspired makeup look for you guys. I was actually already doing my makeup and I stopped. As you guys can tell, I have my brows already done. But I decided to stop so I can film a little tutorial for you guys and also mention my giveaway here on YouTube. I'm so excited because this is my first giveaway here on my YouTube channel. So very excited about that. So if you guys want to know more about my giveaway and how to enter, please stay tuned till the end of this video. And don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and hit that big red button for subscribe so you can subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get on with the Valentine's Day makeup look. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm going to do that with my NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. So I'm just going to prime my lids really quick. So for today's makeup look, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here, which is the second one. This one is called Chaser, and I'm going to use that one all over the lid just to set my primer. And this is just like a really nice neutral shade to start off with. I feel like this one is really good for my skin tone. So next I'm going to go in with these two shades right here. I'm going to just mix them up. This one is called Sauced, and then this one is called Low Blow. So I'm going to mix those up a little bit and then just put them all over my crease area just to create that nice transition shade. So next I'm going to use this shade right here. This one's called Cayenne, and I'm going to use the same brush just to darken it up a little bit. So this shade, I'm actually focusing it more on the crease, and I'm slowly building it upward so I can blend with the transition shade. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here. This one is called En Fuego, and I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner and then just bring it inward a little bit. So now I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to use this one right here. This one's called Chaser, and it's a really light shade. That's the same one that we used for all over the lid. Just to create a base. So I'm going to use that just to kind of blend on the outside so it's not like very harsh. Next, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild concealer and I'm going to apply that on the lid just so I can make my lid color pop a little more, because y'all know it needs to be popping. So I'm going to apply a little bit in the middle just so it pops. So I know this looks a little bit crazy, but just bear with me. So next I'm going to take the shade Lumbre, which is this one right here, and it's a very nice shimmery shade. It's a little tiny bit on like the corally pink side, but I feel like it's going to be perfect for the lid. So I'm just going to apply that on the lid where I applied the concealer. And then at the end we're going to blend it all out. With the same brush that you use for your outer corner, we're going to be using it again, and we're going to take the shade Cayenne just so we can kind of blend out the harsh line. You guys don't know how hard it is for me to film this video right now. There's like a million airplanes flying around my house like it's the CIA looking for someone or something. It is so annoying. I just can't. I went ahead and cleaned up my eyeshadow a little bit with a makeup remover wipe, and next I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Primer, which is one of my favorites. I love it so much. It just gives me a lot of moisture to my skin, and I love it. I'm also going to hydrate my lips using my Burt's Bees lip balm. I love this thing. It is my favorite, and this one is the soothing one. I love it so much because it's very minty and cooling, so I love that for my lips. It just makes me feel good. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm in the shade Light Medium. If you guys are wondering, in MAC Matchmaster, I'm a 3.5 or 4.0, depending on how tan I am. Oh my god, these hairs are just driving me crazy. Anyways, excuse my hairs. So, just gonna apply a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with my beauty blender. So next I'm going to apply my concealer using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm just going to apply a little tiny bit right over here just so I can try to conceal my under eyes, because seriously, my under eyes always look like crap. Okay, so next I'm going to set my under eyes using my Airspun translucent powder. And I'm going to be using just a little tiny bit under my eyes, and I'm just going to let it sit just so I can bake a little bit. I'm going to take my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is in the shade Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze my face a little bit because it's looking a little bit too pale for me. By the way, you guys, I am using Morphe's R2 brush. I love this brush for bronzer. It is my absolute favorite. I just feel like it's just like perfect bronzer brush. So I'm going to go ahead and dust off my baking with this brush by Moda Brush. I love this brush. It is so cute. Isn't it cute, you guys? It is so cute. It reminds me of like a freaking unicorn. I love it. I'm a huge fan of unicorns. I feel like they're so pretty and magical, and I wish they were real. For blush, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Blush Bazaar palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Endless, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to go ahead and blend out my blush with this cute Moda Brushes brush. I love this brush. It's so beautiful too. Seriously, you guys, Moda brushes are so adorable. I love them so much. And they're super, super soft, so highly recommend. For highlight, I'm also going to be using this Tarte Blush Bazaar palette, and I'm going to be using this one right here. This is in the shade Whimsical, and I'm just going to take, this is the Morphe R36 brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of my Studio Fix and spray that a little bit, and then I'm going to go in there with a highlight and highlight my cheekbones. Oh my god, look at that glow, you guys. Isn't it so beautiful? Look at that. Amazing. I love it so much. Highlight my nose, and then highlight my cupid's bow just a little tiny bit. So now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this NYC liquid eyeliner in black. Unfortunately, this eyeliner is discontinued here in the United States, which sucks, but you can definitely find it on Amazon, and there's other places I believe that sells them. I don't know why they do this to us. They discontinue stuff, and you know, they get us hooked and then they discontinue it. It's so annoying. That's my eyeliner. I decided to make my eyeliner a little bit thick because I don't know, I just love eyeliner. Just transformed my eyes into something else. Okay guys, so going back with the palette, I'm gonna go in with Cayenne, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on my lower lash line. So for lips, I'm going to be using my Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look for Valentine's Day. I really hope you guys like it. I feel like it's very nice. It's very different. I feel like it's kind of smoky on the eyes and very bright on the lips. You can definitely tone it down by wearing a more nude color, or you can actually wear a red lip or maybe even a darker color, and then you can just look a little bit more, you know, spicy or whatever. But yeah, I think this look would be really nice for Valentine's. I feel like it's very seductive looking, it's very sexy, and it's also, I don't know, I feel like you can pretty much wear this any day or for a nighttime look even. And now for the most exciting part of this video, my giveaway. I'm so excited. This again is my first giveaway here on my YouTube channel, so I'm very excited and I hope you guys are too. So let's go ahead and get started in showing you what you guys will be winning if you win. But first, I just wanted to mention most of these things are from Marshall's. If you guys have a problem with Marshall's makeup, then I don't recommend for you guys to enter this giveaway. Every time I would go to Marshall's, I would always see beauty brands that I'm very familiar with, but I wasn't too sure if it was a real deal or it was fake. So I went and did research, a bunch of research, and I actually found out that all of the makeup that they have at Marshall's is actually real. And I went to Marshall's and I actually asked one of their employees, and the employee actually told me that all of their stuff is real. These are things that don't sell on, you know, like Macy's, Nordstrom, or whatever, and then they get transferred to either TJ Maxx or Marshall's or even Ross, depending on like what the brand is and stuff. So yeah, so let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. I'll have it all here in this Ulta bag. So let me show you guys. I'm just going to start pulling things out. So the first thing you guys will be winning is this Flawless Blend Urban Studio Beauty Blender, or it's a beauty sponge for your foundation. So this was actually $3.99. And by the way, all of this is paid by me with my own money. I just wanted to say thanks to you guys for all your support, and just, you know, I don't know. You guys are going to be getting this. This is one of my favorite face masks. This is the Tony Moly I'm Real Avocado sheet face mask. It's one of my favorites. It's so nourishing and it gives you a lot of moisture to your skin. So you'll be getting this one right there. You'll also be getting two blush palettes by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This one was $1.99. This is the dark blush palette. Now I'm going to go ahead and actually open it up so you guys can see. I didn't swatch them or anything, but I did open them up in store just to make sure they were, you know, in good condition. So this is what it looks like. This is the dark one, and this reminds me a lot of the Anastasia blush palettes. So yeah, so this is the dark one. This one is the light blush palette, and it's also by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This one was also $1.99, and I also opened it in store just to make sure it wasn't broken or anything, and it wasn't, which was a success. And this is what the light one looks like. It's very pretty, and I feel like it's gonna be perfect for summer. It's got some really cute and pretty pink shades, and it also, this peach shade is so beautiful. I love it. Again, these guys remind me so much of the Anastasia blush kit, so it was definitely a good steal for those. Ellen Tracy matte lipstick collection, and it's got 6 lipsticks, and it looks like this. They're really, really pretty shades. I've never tried none of the lipsticks from the brand Ellen Tracy, so I'm wondering if they're nice. So if you guys win this, I want you guys to comment back and say or tell me if these are good. Or I mean, if you've ever tried them before, let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to know if they're really good brand. So this kit was $5.99. Again, it comes with 6 lipsticks, and they're all matte shades. So this is a really pretty lipstick kit that I got for you guys. I also got this brush set from Kala. Is it Kala brushes, and it's a 3-piece set, and these are unicorn brushes. I thought these were so pretty and beautiful. I actually got one of these brushes for my birthday. It's right over here. Let me grab it. I actually got this one for my birthday, and I love it so much. I use it for foundation application, and I feel like it gives you a flawless foundation application. It's so soft. The bristles are super soft, so I really like these brushes, and I hope these brushes are as equal as this one, because this one's amazing. So these are so cute. This brush set was $9.99. Finally, I got this Sonia Kashuk brush set from Target. This is actually the only thing I purchased from another place. This is the brush set right here. This is actually the breast cancer awareness set. I thought it was so cute. It's pink and black, and it also comes with a little baggie right here. So this one, it was actually in clearance, but I took off the sticker, so I forgot how much it was, but I believe it was like $10 or something like that. So you guys will be getting this one as well. I also wanted to mention, if you guys want this product, let me know in the comment section if you enter, and if yes or no, if you want it included or not, if just in case if you win or not. I got this on my December BoxyCharm, but I feel like I'm not gonna use it. I didn't really like it. Actually, I didn't even try it. I only swatched it with my fingers, but I wasn't a fan of it. So I know for a fact I'm not going to use it, and I prefer to give it to one of you guys. It is the Railer Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit, and it looks like this. So I mean, it's really pretty, but when I swatched it, I feel like it was very sheer, and honestly, I don't think I'm going to use it. So I prefer to give it to one of you guys if you guys are going to use it. I only swatched it with my fingers. I have never used it before, just with my fingers, and I did sanitize it. So if you guys don't mind me swatching this with my finger, then let me know in the comment section below, and if you win, I can include it, and if you don't want it, then I could just keep it and then just give it to somebody else. But this is what it looks like. It is really pretty, but again, I don't think I'm gonna use it. So that is pretty much my giveaway, you guys. So please don't forget to be subscribed to my channel. That is the way to enter this giveaway. You must be subscribed to my channel, you must give my video a thumbs up, and you must follow me on my Instagram. It is at AlexTheLeo. I will leave it down here for you guys, and I will link it down below so you guys can follow me on my Instagram there. And that is all. That's all you have to do. Just be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and like my video. So I will announce my winner on February 25th, which is a Sunday. So make sure you guys come back to my channel, because I will be announcing it here on my YouTube. And yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.